check, please. Tower mother flight. Looks like we're going to overfly just the west side of the field. That's okay.
Mother fly. Roger, you can transition on the west side. There's traffic on Fremont Auto for runway 28, Boeing 717. Additional traffic 1 mile north of field to south. We'll be turning southwest down here momentarily.
Copy. We'll keep the climb going, and we'll just head north around here. Got the Cessna in sight. Mother flight, climb. We've got traffic on the nose. No back.
Continue down the runway, turn to the left at the end, then you get back to the terminal via Golf, hold short runway 36, contact for Golf.
Take Amber Delta 2855.
Delta 2855, turn left at the end, back to the terminal via Golf, hold short runway 36, taxiway Golf traffic departing runway 36.
Delta 2855, Golf 6, Golf, hold short of runway 36.
For the 50 uniform, proceed on course.